Hi again and welcome back. I will be making prawn fry today. You can use either frozen prawns or fresh prawns for this recipe. Before you start with the recipe, you need to clean and wash the prawns. For this recipe, I've taken 200 grams of prawns, 1 large onion sliced, 1 large tomato sliced, curry leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste. You will also need oil for frying, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Heat oil in a pan and fry the curry leaves for a few seconds. Add the onions and fry till the color changes. Reduce the heat and add the cumin powder. Fry for a minute or two. Now add the tomatoes. Fry well. Add the chili powder and the turmeric. You can either increase or decrease the amount of chili powder you want. Now add the prawns. And mix well so that the whole spices are on the prawns. Place a lid on top and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Remove the lid and continue frying for a few more minutes till you see the oil coming right around, separating from the masala. Add salt to taste and your prawn is ready. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye bye.